who that was. All right, Marsh, ready, drivers ready, this one's going to go. With AJ Marasco on the toe. Grand Marsh, Tater Sontag, Colton Kruse, Gough, Galen McCreary, Ryder Himanek, Cline, and Bronson. All right, we got Colton Kruse supposed to call in one up right there. And we're on clock here, race and race. Fast guys so far after 2. See what they got here, so fast coming in. They are to 23-4, Tater to 23-4, now get 23-5, Marasco to 23-5, Cline goes 22-6, on that so far. Marasco back around 23-5, Tater to 23-5. Bill 23-8. And then 23-6, Cline keeps out front, 23-3, the Cline, Sontag, Marasco. Marasco back around on that 23-0. Sontag 25-2. Jury on move now, 23-4, Himanek, 24-6, Cline, 23-1, Cline, Marasco, Himanek now out front, 14-5, 22 from that Cline, coming out pretty strong here, for Cline, he didn't get there, Marasco around 23-2, Sontag, 23-4, his back one, puts it back in the 3 spot now, Jury, 23-4, Cline got 23-2, Cline just 2-1, eating out, and the fairway. Cline, Marasco, McCreary, Sontag, Marsh. 2 down, 3 to go. Marasco 23-6. Marsh 23-2. Marsh taking the back up now in the top 5. 22-9. Hot after Sontag. Back to the 3 spot now. See the Cline style. Looks like trouble for Cline. 23-9, but enough to hold on the lead here about less than a second over Marasco. All right, so a little trouble here. We'll let Sontag take the 2 down, 23-3 for Sontag. Marsh with 23-6, over for Cline, our leader, here he comes, across the track. 22-8 for Cline, hold on to it now, 3 seconds. Little breather room for Cline, Sontag, Marsh, half a second. Marasco and Bronson now in the 5. Bronson with his hot hat there. 2:45 down, 2:15 to go. Marsh 23-3, Marasco 23-2. Cline bringing Marsh looks like trouble for Marsh here. There's trouble for Sontag, I should say. Sontag was the 2 now, in trouble there. Marsh takes the 2, Marasco 3. Cline holds on that lead though, 3 seconds for him. Marsh, Marasco, Bronson, and McCreary now to follow. Under 2 minutes to go. Marsh taking it back up there with 23-4, Marasco to 24-8. Tight race there, that 2 spot right now. Cline, a little bit of breathing room here. As he comes across 23-2, now trailing he goes clean track in front. Minute and a half to go. Cline, Marsh, Marasco, Bronson, McCreary now. So that's a tight second place battle. Marsh and Marasco trying to find Cline here. Cline with a hot hat of the race for those 22 seconds. He goes again, 23-3 for Cline, Marsh with 23-2, 23-6 out of Marasco. McCreary with 23-5 to 4 now.
One minute left.
And we're ready to go. Marsh around 23-8. Marasco in trouble there, 25-9. Marsh stretches his legs, he can't find Cline on the top. Cline comes around 23-6. Still keeps you 3 seconds over Brandon Marsh here. 45 seconds to go. 13-5, no 3 to take to score that Cline. And Marsh finds the speed here. Marsh running his traffic. He finds his 23-1, his hot hat. Closes the gap a little bit on Cline. After the 24-2, holding down that 3 spot. That Cline was almost clean track running though, 23-7. Getting that 2.5 second cushion over Brandon Marsh right now with 20 seconds to go. Marsh still working through traffic here. He's got half the stride, 23-5 for Marsh.
Brandon Marsh done. AJ Marasco done. Matt Thorne done. Tater done. The team done.
We got a lot of cars here.
Jim Bronson done. Ryder Himanek done.
And there it is, guys. That's the race. Matt Cline gets it done. 13.506 with a 1. Marsh on 506 with a 7. And Marasco pulls out that third spot with 13.513. He just had a race there. It stopped.